Yes, you are welcome back to Coffee Class. Please like, subscribe, and then share the channel to other people so that they can also get access to our mathematics content on daily basis. All right, thank you for your time. So please, we are continuing with the algebraic expressions, and under algebraic expressions, we are going to look at multiplication of algebraic expressions. Sorry, under multiplication of algebraic expressions, we have to consider the first law of indices, which talks about the law of multiplication. So when we have two variable factors and then they are multiplying, we have to consider their powers. We have to consider their powers. And then when we consider their powers, because it's multiplication, we add the two powers and then we can get the simplified version of whatever that we are working with. So we take examples, then we proceed. So this is the law of indices that you need to remember. So this is just a gentle reminder that a exponent m times a exponent n is equal to a exponent m plus n. This is something we should know. Okay, so we have a question which says simplify 3ab by 2a. So solution 3ab by 2a. We multiply the numbers and then we multiply the variables. So the variable factors will multiply each other. If the other one does not have a factor, you just leave it like that as it is. So you do 3 times 2 in a bracket like this. Also times a times another a here, then times b, because b is just 1. 3 times 2, that will give us 6. A times a, remember this is a power 1, this is a power 1, so you get a power 1 plus 1 times b, giving us 6a power 1 plus 1, 2b. So we have 6a squared and then b. That is for the product of 3ab and 2a. Okay, let's take another example. So we have 3 of them, variables a, b, and then c. And then we have 3 of the constants or the coefficients, 3, 2, and then 4. So we do 3 times 2 times 4, all of these times a squared times a power 1. And then this is also going to be b times b power 1 power 1, all times c. 3, 2, 6 times 4, a power 2 plus 1 times b power 1 plus 1 times c. 6 times 4, that is going to give us 24 times a power 3 times b power 2 times c. So we have 24 a cubed b squared c as this. Okay, then we take one example again, which is 6x over 11 times 5x over 4. We are still multiplying. There is x here, there is x here, there is constant. So We multiply 6 by 5, that gives us 30. X times x, that gives us x power 2, all over 4 times 11, which is 44. Now I see that this is, you can break this 30 and then 44 down. So we use 2 to break 30 and then 44 down to their simplest form. 2 goes into 30 15 times, 2 goes into 44, that will be 22 times. So I have 15 over 22 x squared, like this. So this is what we are going to have when you have a fractional part like this. Okay, then let's proceed to one more question, and then I give you something to try, then you also give me a solution. Okay. All right, so I have 10m squared n times 8m power 4 n power 3. So I multiply my 10 by my 8, and then also I have my brackets, or yes, brackets, m squared by m power 4, another bracket, n times n power 3. So if that is the case, I have 10 times 8, that will give me 80, m power 2 plus 4, n power 1 plus 3, 8 m power 6, n power 4. So I have this as well. Alright, so you try this at your leisure time. Okay, so you try this and then you give me your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about the division of algebraic expressions. Bye bye.